Hello and welcome to the Yosemite Server Backup video tutorial series. In this video we're going to cover doing a move restore of an object that we've backed up. So we do a move restore in a scenario where, say we had a good backup of one of the drives attached to one of the machines in our backup domain and that drive fails. Or in, say, a scenario where as the backup admin you just want to restore a file to your desktop that was backed up from a user's machine. So we want to restore the data, but we can't restore it back to the same location from which it was backed up. We're just restoring to a new place. So in that scenario, what we would do is a move restore. First thing we're going to do is launch the Yosemite Server Backup Administrator, and we're going to create a restore job here. So we'll double-click restore, we'll name our job, and then we're into the properties of our move restore. So on this page, we're going to go ahead and first select the file that we want to restore, and then select the location to which we want to restore it. So in this case, the file we backed up was just an MP4 file backed up from MapPC. So we're going to drill down on MapPC here, and here's our MP4 that we want to restore. So we're going to place a check in the box representing that file, and then we're going to select Move. And now we're going to navigate to the directory that we want to restore to. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and just restore it to our desktop. So go into Users, and then Mat, and then Desktop, and select OK. And you can see now that under C, we can actually see this Users directory. If we drill down, we'll eventually get to Desktop, and we'll see the file that we're going to restore. So now we're going to go ahead and select the device that contains our backup, which is our virtual library device here. And then we're going to say apply and OK. And now we'll get the same prompt that we had when we created our first manual backup job. Go ahead and click yes here. It'll take us to our home folder, and there's our move restore. So we'll just right click and run and select yes. If we select status, we can watch it in progress here. There is our restored MP4 file. You can see one object for 17 megabytes selected and one object for 17 meg completed. So we can go ahead and apply and OK. And that's it. We've accomplished a move restore. We've restored data that had previously resided in a different directory to our desktop. Thanks, and stay tuned for future videos in the Yosemite Server Backup video tutorial series.